Ayan guys, nilalagyan niya nila ng kung ano-ano yung plato namin. Ang itlog, hindi nawawala. Fish head curry. Papadam over there. Tapos, yun. Ayan. Nilagyan niya yung mga plato. Ang aming birthday boy nakapula.
This one yogurt.
Yum. Why you eat already? Why can we eat? We hasn't eat all. Yeah. Where's the butter chicken? Butter chicken.
I think we can order one more.
Yeah,
Only one
one
we order. Yeah, guys, this is
Yeah, kain na kayo. Let's eat guys. Mami at dadating si Brother Asri. Yan. Ito yung sa akin. Masarap daw. Yummy, yummy.